Viewers, an easy step to English grammar presents how to join with participle or how to combine two or more than two simple sentences into one simple sentence by using participle. And my first item is the travelers were tired. They were hungry too. So they took shelter in a roadside hotel. And you see that the subject is the same person or the same persons. And the subject is the travelers. So when the subject is the same person or the same object, you are at liberty to use participle. There is no problem. And you must follow the cause and effect relation. First, the travelers were tired, then they were hungry, so they took shelter in a roadside hotel. So let us start. Being tired, you know that there are three forms of be verb: am, is, are, and the past form. And the past forms are was and were. So, being tired and being hungry too, comma, the travelers took shelter in a roadside hotel. Clear? Or, having been tired and being hungry, comma, the travelers took shelter in a roadside hotel. There is only one finite verb, that is took shelter. Clear? Or you may omit both the verbs before participle. Tired and hungry, it's a style of writing. Tired and hungry, the travelers took shelter in a roadside hotel. You are at liberty to omit both the verbs. Clear? Now, let us discuss the second item. And before it, I may request you to subscribe my channel, to like, comment and share too. If I come to your benefit, you must subscribe my channel, An Easy Step to English Grammar, and I shall be encouraged and enthused to appear before you with more grammatical items. Okay, let us start. Item number 2, the children entered the garden stealthily. Stealthily means very secretly or very silently. They spent the whole day playing. Here there is no finite, here there is no be verb. Here the finite verb is entered in the first sentence. But in both the sentences, the subject is the same person, that is children. Then what is the method? Having entered the garden stealthily, or just follow. Don't skip a single line. Having entered the garden stealthily, or entering the garden stealthily, comma, you must give a comma. The children spent the whole day playing. Clear? There is only one finite verb, that is spent. There is the cause and effect relation. Now, my item number is 3. A stone rolls, it gathers no moss. So, the stone that rolls, that is the relative clause. Now, you are at liberty to use a rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone, that is the verbal adjective. The previous day I discussed with you A rolling stone gathers no moss. There is only one finite verb, that is gathers. Rolling stone. Now my item number is 4. I solved all the sums. I was overjoyed. So here the subject is the same person, that is I. And in the first sentence there is only one finite verb, that is solved. So having solved all the sums, comma, I was overjoyed. Or solving all the sums, I was overjoyed. You must put a comma after sums. Now my fifth item is, mother discovered a tasty recipe. She prepared a dainty dish for us. So here the subject is the same person, that is mother. She discovered and she prepared. So first she discovered, then she applied, she prepared. And you must use the participle in the cause part. For example, discovering a tasty recipe, comma, mother prepared a dainty dish for us. Okay? Or having discovered a tasty recipe, comma, mother prepared a dainty dish for us. Either having plus past participle of the verb, or the present form of the verb plus ing. So you may use perfect participle or present participle. Clear? Now my sixth item is, she lost her handkerchief. She lost her handkerchief. She was very gloomy for it. So here the subject is the same person, that is she. She lost her handkerchief and she was very gloomy for it. So having lost, you see that having plus past participle of the verb. Having lost her handkerchief, comma, she was very gloomy for it. Or losing, L-O-S-I-N-G, losing her handkerchief, she was very gloomy. You may omit for it. It's your option. However, I am ending my lesson here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Again, viral fever is attacking almost everybody, and your exams are knocking at the door. Thanking all of you. Goodbye.